Hi everyone, I'm Matt McLennan. I'm a commercial real estate broker with Kidder Mathews in Tacoma, Washington. As always, thank you for watching. Now those who know me know that I like to use the phrase supply and demand. I use it often, I use it in my market analyses, and I really believe it is the most fundamental measure of the health of our market. Now, supply and demand is measured using various different metrics, but one notable one is absorption. Now this is a phrase that's commonly used but not necessarily commonly understood. So what is absorption? Absorption is the amount of square footage that is acquired, leased by tenants in a marketplace during a given period of time. So often we measure things on a quarterly basis here in our market, and let's use quarter one of 2023 for example. Absorption was negative 1 million square feet. But there's something to dive in further on that, and that is that it was net absorption was negative 1 million square feet. So breaking down absorption just a little bit further, there's absorption and then there's net absorption. As you can imagine, absorption would be the total amount of square footage that was leased, but net absorption is a measure of square footage leased minus square footage exited from. In other words, tenants leaving the market, downsizing, moving to different submarkets or states or whatever that may be, right? So the fact that Q1 of 23 had negative 1 million square feet of net absorption, that means that although there was obviously plenty of leases signed in Q1, more space was given back to the market than what was absorbed. Now this is the first negative quarter of net absorption we've had in a while, and consequently it's obviously a negative metric on the market. Now if you look at the greater scheme here, I'm a big believer that things are still moving in the right direction. We still have record low vacancy, record high rental rates, but this is good. This is healthy for the market because we've been running at this clip for so long now that's been arguably hard to keep up with. This should give tenants more options. It'll make landlords more willing to negotiate. Should give product a chance to come back online that we haven't seen in a while. So although negative net absorption is arguably not good for the market, in our situation, I think this is healthy. And like I said, I mean, before, when you're looking at how you go ahead and measure what supply and demand is doing in the marketplace, we still are generally undersupplied and have healthy demand to support the amount of supply that we have, but it'll be really interesting to see what direction this heads in the coming future. So hope that was helpful. As always, I'm here to answer any questions you may have, and thank you again for watching.